I don't know why there's tape at the bottom. Ugh. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Queens of Unicorn. Like, subscribe, and ring. Today we're making jumbo.
Yay!
And we have two. We're making two.
Two DIYs today.
Yes. I love it. So we're gonna open the first one, which is the jumbo. Let's open it. Ah. So, hold on. Got it out. So, we have to add the instant snow.
So the instructions told us to add the antibacterial soap to assist with molding, or you can add vinegar.
This is Japanese cherry blossom,
which is from Bath and Body Works. So.
Yeah.
So what we have to do now is add the instant snow. Then we're going to go to the sink, add water, tie the balloon, then
put it in the sink.
Make sure that it's in an empty sink. So now she's pouring the instant snow inside of the balloon, stretch ball.
Does it feel like? Look at that sound. It almost feels like salt.
So now we will proceed to add the water and tie the balloon.
So we're adding it now. This is water. So yeah.
When you touch it, it's already settling. So I'm going to proceed to tie the balloon now.
Tie the balloon.
So I tied the balloon. Let's say give it 5 minutes.
Okay.
So we're going to give it 5 minutes.
This one while we wait.
So we're going to start on the next one while that one is settling.
Yeah.
It's really cool. It includes everything in the box. It says 4 balloons, 1 plastic tunnel, 3 packs of instant slime powder. So this is the kit that we're doing now. But they said after 10 days to throw it away. After 10 days, it won't be good anymore. So once you make it, do that. So they said to add 1 or 2 drops of sanitizer inside the balloon.
Yeah. 1 or 2?
Yeah.
2?
So you can do 2. 1, 2. Okay. So we're going to move on to the next balloon. Then we will add water to all the balloons.
I'm mixing it up.
Like you have to let them sit for 3 minutes. So now we're going to do the yellow. So we have added the funnel to the balloon with the yellow powder. Now that's what she's doing now. Then we will add 1 or 2 drops of the sanitizer. And then we will add water and tie the balloon. And repeat the same process of letting it sit for 3 minutes.
Yeah. So you have to put this in. If you forget it.
So this is the yellow and the blue.
You need to wait for 3 minutes.
You have to wait for 3 minutes. Don't forget to add your sanitizer and
2
water.
times or 1 if you
1 or 2. It just helps with the molding more. And here it is.
Now it's like a stretch ball. Oh my god.
So here's the stress ball. It's great. So do you like the stress ball DIY?
Yes.
Yes.
I had a good experience.
You had a good experience. What about the stress ball slime toys?
It was so cool.
And you can actually kind of see the slime. But
Look,
this one still
the white
got
color.
3 minutes.
Look at the light color.
Yeah, it changes colors for some reason. Yeah. It's like actually like a stress toy. So we have us some stress toys now. So what do you think about the DIY stress toys?
It was a good DIY because it's like so squishy. It can help my stress.
Okay. Alright, thank you guys.
Bye, unicorn.